In this video, I'll show you how to use MiniMax Hailuo AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Hailuo AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can access the available AI tools. Next, choose the feature you want to use, such as text to video or image to video. If you're creating a video from text, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene, characters, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. If you're using an image, upload it from your device and add a prompt describing how you want it to animate. Now, adjust the available settings, such as the aspect ratio, video length, or quality, depending on the options available in your account. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button. After that, wait while Hailuo AI creates your video. When it's finished, preview the result. If you'd like to make changes, edit your prompt or settings and generate another version until you're satisfied. Finally, click the Download button to save the finished video to your device. You can now use it for social media, marketing, presentations, or any other creative project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use MiniMax Hailuo AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.